guys, it's Tiff here. Hope everyone is having an amazing week. My dogs are acting crazy in the background, but I have got to take advantage of the time that I have this morning and show you guys some of the finds that I found at the largest like flea market type thing. It's called First Monday in Canton, Texas, and it is freaking amazing. So we're going to go through some of the great and wonderful finds that I had while I was there. So we'll start with vintage photos. We found a lady. Oh my gosh, like look at this lady's face right here. It's cracking me up. We found a lady who had a big box of all of these. This is 1961. All of these really old. Some of them are quite old. This is Miss Anna Johnson, in case y'all were wondering. But super fun photos that I can use in my work. I may actually make some of these into digital. She was in the yard at Vernon's. They put it on the back. I may actually make some of these in digital. Y'all let me know what you think about that. That way you could print these out and use them too. So I don't know, but I loved this one so much. Look, the kids didn't have on shoes. I just really love it. So I got a lot of vintage photos from her. Some of the people were asking like $5 a piece for photos. No thank you, but this lady was super affordable and really nice to work with. Love it when you find vendors like that. But this was a score that I have, so I'm going to set it to the side. I also got these really cool, these are bank bags that I got. And I really like this one because it has like a hole in the corner right there. I'm so weird. And I'm thinking that these could possibly be really cute journal covers. Like if you folded it and maybe even cut them into two and then had like canvas journal covers. But they're really nice and worn and grungy, which is my thing, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to fold that up, set it to the side. These were really cool finds too. These are, I'm not really sure. We're thinking that they probably have something to do with prescriptions. Not sure. But they're embossed right here. And you can tell, I don't really know. If y'all know what this is, let us know. But we got some of these. They are really fun. I'm thinking they would make a really cool, interesting journal cover type thing. Like on the front there. Not sure, but I love them. So I bought them. Got some of those. In here, I bought, let's see, maybe y'all can see this. I bought some rusty hinges. And this is like a little door. No, this is a lock. I've got some of these handles that were nice and patinaed already. I love this little keyhole thing. I think that would be very cool on a front of a journal cover maybe. I got some more hinges. This is a very substantial piece. It would be nice for like a wall hanging maybe. And patinaed, very good patinaed doorknobs, some more hinges. I got some water spigot handle things like this. Got several of those. I got some rusty springs. I've already started rust dyeing with those. Alright, set that to the side. Uh-oh. Okay, I got, these are coffee sacks. And I really just loved how the black fonts was on the burlap. So I've got several of these that I've come home and washed because they were a little smelly. And they have some really cool like typography on there. So those are going to be fun to see what I can come up with on that. I also found this Boy Scout of America bag. Maybe y'all can see it. That I'm probably going to cut apart. We'll see. You know, most times, I'm not sure how y'all are, but most times whenever you're at the thrift store or the, like a flea market, I don't really know what I'm going to do. I just know that I need it. And then I'm going to show you guys the find of all finds. I gotta look it over here. Alright, it has a case and everything, so let's see if I can get this baby into view. But I got a Smith & Corona. Let's see, can I go out? Okay, let's go out just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Alright, I got a Smith & Corona typewriter. And this is not just any typewriter, because I already have a regular typewriter. And if you saw in my stories on Instagram, I recently had it serviced on the typewriter and cleaned and everything by a gentleman who used to work for Smith & Corona, who lives relatively close to me. This one is a cursive typewriter. What? How cool is that? So I was so tickled. It's a Silent Super Smith Corona. The case is immaculate. Everything on it works. I've already used it. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I think it was probably the last video, I actually used this to type. I was able to order a new ribbon through Amazon. Amazon can like make and do anything. Like man, they're awesome. So no, it wasn't 2-day shipping. It was like a week shipping or something. But I was able to get the ribbons. I don't know that I can prop this up to show y'all. But I was able to get the ribbons to replace that. And it types beautifully. I am going to take it to my little old typewriter man and let him just do a good clean and service of this. It is just a true treasure, and I am so excited that I was able to find this. Typically when you find them, they are very, very expensive. So it was just a blessing that I was able to find this and afford this and get this beautiful typewriter. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I forgot. And I think that pretty much wraps it up, guys. I had an amazing time. If you ever get to the first Mondays, they are always there on the first Monday weekend of the first Monday, I guess is how you say that. But I hope that you will follow me in my journey as to what I do with all these awesome finds. And if you have some ideas, or you know what these little thingy mabobs is, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Click the thumbs up. And hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel, why the heck not? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys. I cannot believe that over, what, 8,000 of you guys subscribe to my channel. That's totally mind-blowing. I can't believe it. I appreciate all the love. And if you would, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where you can see every day something that I'm working on. So until next time, guys, toodaloo!